In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch accounts in Canva. This is an incredibly handy feature for anyone who manages multiple accounts, whether for different clients, projects, or personal and professional use. So let's dive in and make your Canva experience even more flexible and streamlined. First and foremost, let's open up Canva in your web browser and log in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in and staring at your home screen, take a look at the upper right corner. Do you see your profile icon there? Great. This is where you manage all your account related settings, so go ahead and click on that profile icon. Clicking on it will open up a drop down menu with several options related to your account. Here you want to look for the option that says add another account. Clicking this will allow you to start the process of managing multiple accounts from the same interface. For those who switch between accounts frequently, this feature can save you a significant amount of time and hassle. Now when you click on add another account, Canva will prompt you to log in again or to create a new account if you haven't already set one up. This is where you'll enter the credentials for your other account, whether it's personal, business, or something else. Once you're logged in, this account will be linked, giving you the ability to switch back and forth. With your additional account added, let's move on to the straightforward task of switching between accounts. From the same profile menu, you'll now see all the accounts you've linked. Data and settings for these will be kept completely separate, so you don't need to worry about mingling your projects and designs. To switch accounts, simply click on the account you wish to use. It's that easy. Canva seamlessly swaps you to the selected account. A quick note for those who use Canva on mobile, switching accounts on the app functions in much the same way. Tap your profile icon and you'll find the option to add or move between different accounts. Remember, this can help keep your projects organized, making sure your creative process remains uninterrupted across different scopes. Whether you need to quickly handle a client request, update your personal branding, or switch back to a work-related project, having multiple accounts accessible will make it all smoother. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've learned how to manage and switch between accounts in Canva. This can be a real game changer, particularly for creative professionals or multitaskers juggling different accounts. Thanks for watching today, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your Canva toolkit. If you found this video useful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy designing!